goodness. I finally found an iguana. Oh, there's two of them. So I saw this botanical garden on the side of the highway, and well, I saw the sign on the side of the highway, and I decided to pull up in here, and I am already not disappointed. Two iguanas. Hold on, let me see if I can get it closer. This is so cool. Why do they have to be afraid of me? I see another one over here. Hold on. Oh, he's chilling out in the sun. Damn. Alright. I'm sure I'll see more. I'm not even to Key West yet. That's so cool. Okay, so I guess this is just a big kind of trail. I have no clue. This is already pretty. Wow. Oh, baby iguana. Oh my goodness. They are all over the place. There's one swimming. Unless that's a snake. It kind of looks like a, no, it's a turtle. There's another turtle right there. What's up, little guy? And another turtle way over there. How come the iguanas can't be like this? What the heck? Wow. I'm in what appears to be a boat junkyard. Still at the Botanical Garden. Well, this one, didn't see this one. So neat. Oh, this one right here seems to be pretty good. Just changed the oil and this thing will ready to ride. Wonder why it's just sitting here. This aluminum boat arrived in 2009. The engine of this boat is from a Nissan car that was like used for stability. But that's a Nissan car engine. Yep. Probably out of like a 240Z. Just kidding. This boat right here is probably my favorite, the way it looks, and it's got a big old American flag at the front of it. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. What is pretty cool about this one, the fuel tanks are apparently in these hulls. I just read that. But what's also cool is that some of these boats could have been used to smuggle drugs and or people. Obviously, I don't recommend to do drugs at all. Don't do drugs, kids. Not good for you. Your body could end up looking like one of these boats. You don't want that. Check this out. Wow. I guess it's got like a water park. There's like little exercise things in here. Exercise equipment. Pretty sick. I want to do a wheelie in front of this thing. See if I can pull it off.
Show me how to do. So tell me what you're thinking of.
Hell yeah, nailed it. By the way, thank you, Coast Guard, for all the things that you do. See, what had happened was, I thought this was like a beach also, not just a water park for kids, but it's freaking hot, so I might get in that water and then ride my bicycle to a beach. I'm sure I can't be that far. The water is absolutely beautiful. It sucks. Like I live in St. Augustine and we don't really get to see water like this. I guess a lot of people don't really get to see water this clear. That is just sweet. I definitely want to go swimming in something this clear. I have to find a beach this clear and a freaking iguana. I want to see a lot of them. I got goals. Goals, baby. I found a ladder. I'm just gonna see how cold it is. Pretty warm. Yeah. It is clear though. It is clear. This ladder looks like it's been hit by a boat or two. Look at that. And it is slippery down here. I don't know why, but I'm like really scared to get in this water. I think it's because of sharks and possibly the fact that there's no swimming allowed here. Let me get out of here. Safe and sound. Oh shoot, the Navy's after me. Just kidding. Damn, it's hot. All right, I gotta go into that little kiddie water park, I guess. Dang it. Kiddie water park and then beach. Maybe I'll see an iguana. I just found the king of iguanas. I don't know if you can see this guy. Dude. He is massive. Dude, oh my God, he is so big. Please let me get closer. I feel like Steve Irwin right now, except for I'm nowhere near Steve Irwin. Dude, there he goes. The sky. Come back, please. Let me get closer. I guess expect to wait in line on a busy day like this if you want to take a picture. I might try to come back over here like 6 in the morning if I get to spend the night here in the Keys. I feel like it is going to be really hard to spend the night over here. The knockoff version of the real thing. Hell yeah. I made it. I made it to the southernmost point. Made it to Key West. It's crazy. Oh, what a drive. And what a time. It was a fun drive actually. I was just stopping on the way. Different spots, random spots. And I'm glad I didn't really plan anything out. I just went and I did it. Now I can say I've been to the Keys. And wherever the hell this is, I just randomly found this. Right next to the southernmost point. There's a crazy line, as you've seen, to get to take a picture in front of that thing. I found the generic version. It's a little blow up thing. That'll do. It's freaking hot. I'm over here in the Publix parking lot, chilling out. I just got done riding my bicycle around over there by the water. It's super hard to find parking here. I'm actually really curious to know where I'm gonna end up sleeping tonight. I'm probably gonna have to do some searching. I might try and sleep here at this parking lot, but I'm pretty sure I'll get kicked out. So for the rest of the day, I'm gonna go into Publix, brush my teeth, probably splash some water on my face, and that's my shower. And I'm gonna crack open this, what do you call them things? Coconut. I gotta crack open this coconut to see if I can't drink this water, the coconut water that's inside. I have a feeling it's gonna be refreshing, and I also have a feeling that I might need a new coconut because it looks a little brown. Chilling with a K-bar over here in the Publix parking lot. I'm pretty sure this doesn't really happen that much, but I'm gonna see if I can't crack this open with one hand first. Hold on. So dangerous with one hand. Ugh. I'm gonna put this camera down before I lose a finger, so hold on. I got it open after like 5 minutes. Pretty much the first coconut crack ever. Whew. Yeah, we don't have them things in St. Augustine, I don't think. There's like a bunch over here. There's like one in that tree. Well, there's a couple in that tree and over there. But I went down a little bit over that way and I found this one. I brought it back. I thought it was kind of like a rare thing, but turns out they're here in Publix parking lot for free. So I got it open here, so I'm gonna try to drink this water here. Hold on. Look at that. It tastes kind of like sweet and salty water. It's not bad. I'm just afraid this thing is not good. I want to get I think this one is supposed to be called a green coconut. It's not the normal kind with the hair on it. All these coconuts up here are like green coconuts, and all those trees. Whatever. So apparently people don't crack coconuts and vlog in the public parking lot that much, because I keep getting looked at like I'm a madman. That probably does look like a madman. I got a freaking K-bar knife cracking open a coconut in a Publix parking lot. Woo! What is my life coming to? All right, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Today's been really fun. Tomorrow is probably gonna be crazy. If you're over here doing what I'm doing, you probably forget about showers. Yeah. It's hard. This is really hard. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave y'all here. I gotta finish this coconut carving situation what I got going on. Thank you again for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.